Hi, so to make Lauki or Dhudhi ke theple, take grated half Lauki, 1 spoon Zeera, 1 spoon Ajwain, 1 spoon dhania, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of red chilli, half a teaspoon of Kasuri methi, and salt to taste. To this add some fresh coriander leaves and 2 finely chopped green chilies. Mix this well, and to this add 2 cups of wheat flour or atta, and to this add half a cup of besan. So to this mixture gently add water and knead a dough. Now the dough is ready. Just add a spoon of oil so that it becomes soft. So now we have to make the thepla out of this dough. So you can make the theplas out of this dough. If you think that it is getting stuck, then you just need to add some dry atta. And now we are going to make the theplas, and very little oil and the edges. So this is your thepla getting ready. So this is cooked on both sides, and now it's ready to serve.